Placing Quote Countertops tools on your website. Have you already placed your kitchen visualizer, bathroom visualizer, and/or instant quoting tool on your website? In this video, we will be talking about web navigation and the importance of placing Quote Countertops tools a certain way. Now, here are some examples of customers using our tools correctly. Scenario number 1. As you can see on this website, the tools are clearly marked, are separate, and open in a separate tab. This is scenario number 2. This is quite a heavy top menu. So this company has chosen another typical design pattern, which is the drop-down menu. So you simply hover over the parent navigation item here, and here the sub-menu of navigation items appear. So here you have the design tools that open up as Kitchen Designer and Bathroom Designer. The quoting tool still appears separately. That also works really well. Third scenario. For those that don't have a website, make sure that all your tabs are clearly marked and that you have content which is easy to navigate. For easy navigation and user-friendliness of your website, good navigation can speed up the viewer's search. The last thing readers want to do is to have to figure out how your website works. But also for traffic to be driven to the web-based tools, to capture leads and customer information. Our software gives clear action steps to take and prompts the visitors to share their information, which we verify by SMS. So what can make website navigation easy? Clearly divided categories, an easy-to-read menu, for example. Making navigation elements clickable links, using accurate navigation titles, keeping it consistent, and of course, quick loading time. Make sure that those images on your website have been optimized. Don't forget that the purpose of your website is to convey specific information 24/7, 365 days a year, and have potential clients contact you to start a sales conversation, turning a visitor into a prospect. So make sure that you have done the following. Placed the tools on the main menu. This is paramount if you want customers to be able to find the tools at any given moment. If you only embed on the home page of your website, people won't find the tools and won't use them. Don't forget that the lead capturing capacity of our tools is extremely high. We are looking at 25 to 30% of people that click once on our tools, sharing their contact details with you. Place the tools separately for visibility and relevance in the search of your potential client. Do also ensure that these tools open in a separate tab, as this is a subdomain. This simply means that customers can go back to your website at all times. Our tools should be opened in separate tabs so as to remain 100% responsive, in other words, mobile friendly. It also guarantees a super fast loading time. And last but not least, name the tools correctly. Kitchen Designer, Kitchen Visualizer, 3D Kitchen app, the list goes on. Don't forget to watch our other videos on the importance of social media. If you need any further assistance with our software, please get in touch. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.